to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now.
What is up, gang? This is Ari, and today we're finna be here doing a mukbang Popeyes chicken sandwich.
What's up? Let's dig in. And we also got some chips, some sour cream.
Boy, you look like a chip.
I know I look good. Thank you very much.
But them pretty boys, that's what I be talking about, these pretty boys around here. And don't say you ain't no pretty boy.
I know.
Thank you, best friend. Pretty boy. That's why I'm changing your contact name to pretty boy.
You can have company.
Boy, this too far. Why you couldn't do this? Hazel. But just eat. Look at. Did you just see that dog?
What she do?
Nothing. I can't explain. That's why I asked, did you see? Is this too pretty?
Hey, listen, if you haven't tried the Popeyes chicken sandwich, you gotta go get it.
But don't.
Don't wait.
Look at that. I'm scared to eat this.
Nah, you wanna be mean, you can't get no. Yeah. I'm going all the way.
Don't dare do my dog like this.
Oh, that's my son. It's all the time we want this.
Every time I eat some honey, make my head itch.
Put me in, coach. It's all the time we
Boy,
want
go
win.
sleep.
The coach, I don't know we finna win.
That pickle was hot. You said this show soon.
He changed it.
I hope it's good.
I bet this teeth is sweet. You being mean. You can't get none.
Don't do my dog like that.
You would just say she was being mean.
She is. She bipolar.
You better stop being bipolar, so. Nah, I thought they were the two streets.
Or lame. What you saying?
I said cheeks and
Y'all them chips hidden.
that too. What you just get, Zoe? You just ate something.
You drop some on that floor?
Yeah, you get it this time, but you ain't getting no more.
But keep on playing with my dog.
You been mean.
Wow. Oh, we didn't do no thumbnail. We so fast.
It ain't too late. Look.
Where your bag is?
Call your chicken sandwich up.
Make it pretty. Oh my. Hold on. Put this on top of mine. Wow. Look at him.
Now you want to be quiet and be still.
I told you that's him. And as soon as you get her some and you get back up, she'll start back barking at you.
My Popeye, I want that TV on YouTube.
Wow.
I don't know how they use playing on the TV.
You dropping stuff.
Mm-hmm.
For life.
Y'all come down below and tell us what y'all think about them Popeyes chicken sandwich. Good. I mean, they're good. But people been out here going crazy. Like, people, these videos in there about people fighting over these chicken sandwiches. What was that for?
Huh?
What was that for?
I don't know what you're talking about.
He just pointed at me. Ooh, that chicken sounded hot today.
Boy, you look like you hot.
I am hot.
Good.
This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. You know that song? I mean, that's just how I go. I'm hot because you not. I think. Ain't just how I go.
Mm-hmm.
This is why I'm hot.
I told you back there. I'm not gonna tell you no more.
What? Tell me.
You know what I'm talking about.
She tell me I can only drink this pop. But she don't drink pops. But she right though. Let me stop drinking this pop.
I hope it's good.
Yeah.
What you blowing for?
They put this sauce in this thing. Alright. I ain't even gonna lie. It's hot.
I want to taste KFC.
I'm trying to think of the name of the one I had. It was nasty. I think it had something with Tennessee something. If I'm not mistaken.
I just be watching a commercial.
Man, I got 2 on. It was a waste of money.
I bet you still ate it.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever.
I promise you I did. Then my mama tried it. She couldn't complain about it because she didn't like it either.
Mm. Never mind. I'm glad that you caught on. Where your at? No. Where your at? I went on no response. Where your at? Where your at? Okay. Oh, why you do that? I'll wait on it. I'll wait on it.
She threatened me all the time. She threatened me like every day. And ain't even did nothing yet, y'all. Like, it's just like, you're not gonna do nothing, just don't say it. You gonna do something, you're not gonna do it. Ain't gonna come back. What you gotta say, Bessie?
Anywho, I threatened him because warning comes before destruction. And like he said, he get his warning every single day. But when that destruction finally comes, he ain't gonna have nothing to say. Because I've been warning him for months now. And all he can say is, she always threatened me, but she never do. I shot up, baby. Warning comes before the destruction. I'm not just gonna do something to you, and then I didn't warn you about it. You can't say that I didn't warn you after I do it.
Well, you warned me.
So just be quiet. I have, and that's why it's coming real soon. So just keep on rushing it. It's coming. Hope you be prepared. Because the audience gonna see. This chicken too big. How am I supposed to hold this?
I do not like them pickles.
But, best pickles ever.
I want to try them on Chick-fil-A sandwiches.
That's what I'm saying. Like, am I the only one who ain't never ate Chick-fil-A? I have never, like, I have never ate at Chick-fil-A. Never.
I had Chick-fil-A some years ago.
Wow.
And I ain't getting up with some chicken nuggets.
I used to do that. Go to a new restaurant. And the first thing I say is chicken tenders and fries and a Sprite. But punch them in your teeth. I want to do the one chip challenge.
The one chip challenge.
He got done before me. Dude, I still finna be hurting. So we gotta do that. That's crazy.
Last time I had the whole leg, so I get home. Well,
On everything, but that next day, that bathroom was funky. I'm to my dumb boy, but I'm going there for 5 hours from man. Them noodles plus the rest of the hot stuff I ate. Heck no. That's a big chip. She's asleep now.
Oh, that's my dog. I was just hitting.
Why?
And that was this type of stuff I used to do.
I don't need no dog.
I'm just kidding. I was young. Listen, I was younger, dog. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do nothing like that now.
No, baby, you just said if that was my dog, I would hit a million. If that was your dog, you would do it right now. Stop lying.
If only y'all knew what I used to do when I was little, man. My uncle shot a dog.
What you read my message from?
I can't even see what they say. Nobody want to read your messages anyway.
I know who messages I want to read.
None of them come about me.
I might read them tonight and then send you a few screenshots of y'all messages to remind you how y'all was. Why y'all be doing that? That stuff where y'all make y'all jog all the way over here. What you just did? Yeah, that. Why y'all do that when y'all eat?
The food be on our teeth, though. Look. Nah, you eat the whole bag of chips.
Nah, I better stop. I still be getting behind for real. I'm not finna open it. I'm not finna open it.
Go on to open it. Go on to open it.
I'm not finna open them. I wasn't finna open them. I'm finna show them. Well, got issues and we got them. We're doing something with this later, so stay tuned. If it goes playing, stay tuned. Like I said, you did that TV.
Oh yeah, it's your time to take the blame.
Actually, the first person came after was me. So how could you say I didn't take the blame?
But
I'm the first person you gave
But you blame me.
But I got most of it. You got hit with the broom one time.
How many times she hit you with the broom?
Started in here, ended in there. You count. Why you talking? It's not me trying to say nothing. You taking it.
Shit.
You ready to end this video?
Alright, AV Clan, that's the end of this video. Y'all already know what the deal is. Like, comment, like, comment, subscribe, share the video to all your friends, your family, everybody. Show it to a stranger on the street. I mean, let's get that video out there. But until next time, peace.